to another video. I'm Tom, and in today's video we're going to be making the most delicious rhubarb, raspberry and rosé crumble. Ingredients you will need:
we spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
For the crumble topping,
waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
That is how I make my rhubarb, raspberry and rosé crumble. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I release new recipe videos almost every single week and you don't want to miss them. I'll see you in the next video.